Hello and welcome to Homemade Baking and Drinks. Today I'll be making a Bueno Cheesecake, and I actually found this recipe online about a year or so ago. I tried it out, first ever cheesecake I made. I'm really happy with the results, so I thought I'd film myself and remake it. So if you want to make it at home, as I said, I can't remember where exactly I did find the recipe from, but it's a really good recipe. And it's quite simple to do. I thought it was very hard, but it turned out it wasn't. So for this you need 300 grams of digestive biscuits. Crush them up or put them in a blitzer. And you need 150 grams of unsalted butter, or you could probably use regular butter, to make the actual base. And then you need 500 grams of cream cheese, 100 grams of icing, 300 milliliter of double cream, 250 grams of Kinder chocolate. That's that stuff there. As they go on sale at the minute at £1.50, you can't go on for £1.50, usually £3. Let's see, you will need vanilla extract and let's just say 2 bars of Kinder Bueno to put into the base. So I'll get started on this by making the biscuit base. So in a pan you want to put your butter and just melt it down. Probably put it on a low or a medium heat so it doesn't burn. And just start stirring it around. Once your butter's melted, you just add the digestives. And once your biscuit base is ready, just pour it in. And just push it down with your spoon into place. Once you've done this, you put it in the fridge for it to set. Next, you're going to want to melt your chocolate, and you can either put this in the microwave for like short bursts, or you could put it in a melt it in a bowl. I think this is called bain-marie. Could be. So I usually melt my chocolate because sometimes I tend to burn it in the microwave. Once you've melted your chocolate, just leave it to one side to cool down a bit, and then move on to the next part. Next part, you want to add your cream cheese in a bowl, icing sugar, and your vanilla. And then you want to mix all this together. Probably best use an electric whisker. plug this in. Just want to give that a mix until they're pretty much combined. And then next you want to pour your melted chocolate in and whisk again. So next I'm going to add the chocolate that I melted a bit ago. Next you just want to whisk it till it's all combined. Next we're going to pour the 300 ml of double cream in. Then we're going to give this another whisk up. Next I'm going to whisk up this until it becomes nice and thick and the colour will start to lighten a bit. After you've whipped it up, next add the Kinder Bueno bars, chopped up. Then just going to kind of fold them into it. Once you've folded that in, you can get your base out and load it up. Once you've got your base out, it should be nice and hard. So then you just spoon and pour in the cheesecake mixture. Just make sure it's spread out nice and even. And then you can just go and pop this in the fridge. I'd probably recommend about 6 hours or so, but I'll probably end up leaving it overnight. Sometimes I'll leave it overnight and just decorate it in the morning, especially if you've got time to do it. So I'll see you in the next part, which will be the decorating part. Now it's time to decorate the cheesecake, and all I've done is took it out of the tin and get it a little smooth around the edge. Got a bit of dent there, that's where the Kinder Bueno is, but yeah, it's time to decorate. And next I'm going to add some chocolate, so I put 75 grams of Kinder chocolate into a piping bag. And then I'm just going to pipe it on. You can pipe it on whatever way you want. Probably just make some little patterns on it. Coming out nice and easy. Time to put the whipped cream. You could leave it like this actually and just put the Buenos on top, or just have it like that. But I'm going to attempt to put some cream on it. I'm not very good at decoration part, but I'll get a whirl. Now it's time to make the whipped cream, and here I've got 175 milliliter of double cream, which we'll just pour into that. Then to that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. And I'm just going to give that a quick whisk up. Once you've whipped it up, you need to transfer it into a piping bag. So I've got one here. I might slightly over whip this. Then grab your cheesecake. I'm using, I think it's Star Point for the cheesecake, and then just start making Now, I'm not the best of decorators, and said I'm not a professional cook or baker. I just do it for fun. It doesn't look too bad. And then next you want to grab some buonos and just rest them on top, just to make it look a bit fancy. Next, I've just got some bits of chopped up buonos. Just try and place these around. Finish it off. And here is the finished product. And it looked pretty good. I'm surprised actually. I didn't think it'd turn out as good. But pretty nice. So you can have a go at making this yourself, follow this video, and I've got a Blogger account and I'll probably end up putting this recipe or something similar on there, but it looks pretty good. You can share this with friends or anything, so if you like this video, feel free to like this video, drop a comment if you tried this, or if you've got any other ideas for cheesecakes or different stuff to bake. And subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.